afternoon, World Wide Web. This is James, your favorite ticker picker, with another update on Delta Airlines earnings call tomorrow morning before market opens. We are going to have the new numbers for Delta Airlines. They've been upgraded by analysts up to $60. They also declared halfway through this quarter, up until this week, that they were doing much better than expected, and they raised their guidance for this quarter as well. So a lot of interesting things happening over at Delta. The stock in 1 month has gone up tremendously over this news. It is up from $41 to $48. So as we're jockeying into position. Yesterday I took out I found an 11-cent option at $54. $53 strike price. $53 strike price. It ends on Friday. Earnings is Thursday morning. And then today I turned it into what they call it, I straddled it. Yeah, I straddled it kind of. I bought a put option on the same thing. I bought the $45 put today, also for 11 cents. Expires on Friday. So now I've got the 45 put and the 53 call, both on Delta Airlines for tomorrow. And I bought them both for 11 cents each. I've got 10 contracts of each. So I guess I really paid, with the commissions of the contracts, probably, I guess 11 cents or 12 cents each almost. And my break-even point is going to be 24 cents or $24 per contract on each side, plus 10 times 10. So $240 is my break-even point, and I am going to need it to go up 24 cents. One of them is going to have to be that valuable. It's going to have to go from 11 cents to 24 cents. I don't know how fast it gets to doubling itself if it starts moving. I don't think it needs to hit 54. I just think it needs to hit probably 49, and I'm probably making money. Maybe 50, certainly I'm making money. Or if it starts going down, 47, and I'm probably making money. 46, and I'm making money. Making a lot of money. And if I do hit my strike price, I could sell it early and probably make a whole lot of money. I'll probably be at a 10-time winner if I can hit either one of those strike prices, 53 or 45. I expect to be a 10-time winner, and I expect to be breaking in about probably 20% of the route to there. So maybe add $1 in each direction would be my break-even points. As long as it doesn't just stay dead still tomorrow, I should make some money. So let's see what happens tomorrow. I'm excited just to share this experiment with everybody. Do I have it right? This is not the strangle. This is the straddle. Yeah. It's kind of a wide straddle. It's called a long straddle because but I did it on a short position. But I took two things that I thought could possibly happen in each direction and got them cheap enough at 11 cents. It's absolutely amazing. They expire in 3 days when I bought them, and then 2 days when I bought the other one today. But so yeah, it's going to be interesting. It's my first straddle play, my first long straddle, and we're going to see, I don't know, this thing really just probably needs to go to 48.95 tomorrow or 46.95 tomorrow for me to be plenty right side up, and then it just needs to go the rest of the way to get there. Everybody's going to know the numbers before earnings come out. In the morning, people are probably going to choose the path for the day. The path could be starting out downwards and end up upwards, or nobody ever listens to those people after they get started. But when the market opens, it might have a very well decided direction before I can even choose to sell this thing. And the neat thing about this position is you can win on both. This thing might dip down on the morning traders. Maybe they don't like Carnival Cruise Line's recent earnings. They didn't like the EBITDA, so they decide to spike the stock. It goes down to 45. I grab my $1,000, and then it farts around all day long and starts jimmying its way back upwards, upwards, upwards. And then by Friday afternoon, we're sitting on the porch of $54. Then I can go ahead and sell that option for another $1,000. So I can make money on both ends of the same option. Had I invested the money in the time, I would have had more time, which would have been really nice. Then I would have had, I would have been easier to win. I don't know. I wouldn't have gotten it for 11 cents. That's for darn sure. And I wanted to buy 10 of them. I wanted to make sure I controlled 1,000 shares and kind of keep it cheap all at the same time and be able to go for $1,000 in either direction against a $220 bet that just requires it to move a little bit. If the earnings are like totally as boring and as expected as they are and it doesn't go anywhere before, then I'm going to take my first opportunity to get out, obviously. If it moves up 50 cents any direction on Thursday, I'm out of there. I'll just get my 220 back out, hopefully. Hopefully I won't lose it all. Everybody hopes that Delta moves tomorrow and cheer with me. And let's hope for a weird one. Let's hope I can hit on both ends of this. Could be dramatically on one end of it. Sucker could go straight to 60. This thing could be worth $7 or $8 a share on each contract. It could be worth $800 with 1,000 contracts. It could be worth $8,000. Yeah, for a $220 bet that could just turn out to be worth $8,000 tomorrow. That's so interesting. It just needs to go to $60. Does shit like that happen in this world? All the freaking time. All the time. It's pot luck with these companies. We don't know what they're doing in some cases. Delta's trackable, but yes, the analysts are saying 60. Maybe they come out with something tomorrow and everybody goes, yeah, 60, and they just scream 60, and it just goes to 60. And guess who's got $8,000? Me. Wouldn't that be cool? Off my $220 bet. So it was relatively safe because it was straddled. If it's bad news in the opposite direction, I'm doing pretty well. My only mandate is that it at least like moves $1 tomorrow, like quick, like in the pre-open, or at least want enough newsworthiness to move it a dollar before it opens, and I can make the determination whether I want to sliver away or whether I want to see what the market does to it for 10 minutes. I don't know. I'll probably miss out if I make the move too fast, but I also want to not lose 220. That's part of my goal here, is to not lose it. If it's at all possible, it'd be so easy to lose it though, because it could go a little bit high and tease, and then just come right back again and sit there through Friday. Then I'm screwed. Yep. I need this thing to move about 25 cents in some direction. I think is going to be the I need one of the options that are worth 11 cents now. I need one of them to be worth $0.25. So we're going to need to go up probably 25% of the way, I would imagine, or 10% of the way. I'm not sure. I'll tell you tomorrow. We'll do another video and see how I did. Anyhow, thank you very much for watching the video. A wide, long straddle on Delta Airlines for tomorrow. What the hell? I would have done it more narrow, except for I would have been paying through the teeth for the options, and I wanted 10 of them because I wanted this thing to be a big long shot with containable variables of I didn't spend much on it, and I can get the hell out cheaply if I need to. It doesn't have to move much to get out. But hopefully I'll learn something here, and I'll share it with you guys. Have a wonderful day. Like the video and subscribe. Take care and have a good night.